And then can you look at numbers why we should do Sacramento over Stockton? Okay, so Drew is open-minded to having to doing deals in different markets, and he lives in that kind of Sacramento, California area. And I said, well, I don't think you have to go to like Dallas, Texas. You don't have to go to any of those other markets. If you are
They're
in
over
the area
here.
and there's new construction activity already, you might as well stick there. So Stockton, for example, is one area. The first thing I do when I'm looking at markets is I go to new construction homes, let's say sold. Let's go just new construction activity. Like, what are builders doing out here? What are they building? And we can see there's 31 homes in this area. And I'll look at, so this is for sale. First, I'll look at ratios. Oh man, it closed out. I'll look at ratios of how many homes are for sale, how many homes are pending, and how many homes are sold. So if I see 31 homes are for sale, I have 37 homes pending. That's over 100% of the homes active are pending. That's really high. Usually 50% is good. The fact that it's a 100% pending ratio is big, but then I look at what actually sold, and they sold out more than their entire inventory in 3 months. To me, this is showing me that Stockton's actually really hot. Out of the 37 homes, within 2 months, all 37 are going to be gone. That's a big deal. And then I'll remove Stockton because there's going to be some houses nearby. You got some more houses down south. And I'll kind of do the same thing. 152 homes sold. There are 330 available, and there are 120 active. So here, this is a little bit more realistic. So 119 divided by 330, 36%. That's about fair. I'd say 36 is good. 25 to 50%. So I don't think that Sacramento or Stockton is any better or worse. It's just south of Sacramento. I think the biggest key is just really underwriting the deal and making sure that wherever you're building, it's selling fast enough. And the way that I do it is I go to sold, let's say in the last 3 months, and I can analyze, for example, right out here, somebody built this house, 2,800 square feet, sold it for 580. How quick did it sell? Sold off market because it has no data. And you can kind of look around and see all the different homes that are selling, and you can look at the history. So here, for example, sold, they actually bought the lot for 163 grand. But this one has no data here again. So let's take a look at some other ones. Let's see. Looks like a lot of developers. If you see these clusters of 7 homes, 5 homes, that means there's more cluster developments, less one-off lots here and there, because it's a little bit more established and newer city. Versus if we go to Sacramento, this is how I look at so a lot of one-offs right here. So for Drew, if you want to do a project where you're just building and selling one house, Stockton, I don't see many of those. There could be land, so I'd look at different land deals, but a lot of it, as you can see, is clusters of new development versus just one little house. Here's one little house. There's an example. But if you want to get into this game, you want to learn exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing it. You've been following along. You're seeing all the different projects, the way that we structure our day, how we do things, and make money in this real estate development game without actually having to be that contractor or licensed agent. Click that link below, fill out an application. You can get on a consultation with my team. If it's a good fit for you, we'll put a roadmap together, and then you'll have a personalized group chat with myself. We'll be jumping on Zoom calls every single week, and we'll be absolutely crushing it together. So I hope you enjoy. Take care, and as always, let's build up.